Hello everyone, let's dive into the Womier SK80 Retro 75% keyboard. This keyboard is not just a tool, it's a statement piece, blending retro aesthetics with modern functionality. The first thing that grabs your attention is the vibrant color multimedia screen. It's customizable, allowing you to display GIFs, monitor your caps lock, connection mode, and even system info. The 11-degree oblique angle is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to view at a glance. The retro coffee cat theme is executed beautifully with cherry profile keycaps. The gasket mount design, combined with EVA positioning plate and bottom filling, provides a comfortable and responsive typing experience. It's soft enough to prevent fatigue during long gaming sessions, yet firm enough to provide satisfying feedback. The gasket mount also does a great job of dampening noise, which is a huge plus for those who prefer a quieter setup. Customization is where the SK80 truly shines. The pre-lube linear switches offer a smooth keystroke and a clean typing sound right out of the box. The hot-swappable PCB is compatible with both 3-pin and 5-pin switches, giving you the freedom to experiment with different switch types without soldering. The Pro software takes customization even further. You can tweak the RGB backlight, set up macros, and even customize the GIF image displayed on the screen. The music syncing mode is a fun addition, syncing the lighting patterns to your music. The RGB backlighting itself is impressive, with 19 lighting effects and 9 colors to choose from. Brightness and flow rate are also adjustable, allowing you to create the perfect ambience. Compatibility is broad, supporting both Mac and Windows systems. The detachable Type-C connection adds flexibility, making it easy to connect to various devices. Whether you're gaming or working, the SK80 is a versatile choice. In summary, the Womier SK80 Retro 75% keyboard is a well-rounded package. It combines a unique aesthetic, comfortable typing experience, and extensive customization options. If you're looking for a keyboard that stands out from the crowd and offers a premium experience, the SK80 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.